Hey, well and good, I'm Chloe from Go Chlo Pilates, and this is the right way to do a Pilates push-up. Now, there are many different types of push-ups, I know, but today I'm going to take you through what is the more traditional Pilates push-up, which is more of a tricep-focused push-up. So first, I'm going to show you the wrong way to do a Pilates push-up. So it often looks something like this. We're on the knees, we sit upright, but as we drop, it's like this. There's no control. It's really hard for me to watch when I see something like this. Elbows wide, no core control, no neutral spine, no head and neck control. And now I'm going to show you through and talk you through the right way to do a Pilates push-up. So to start our setup, we want hands underneath the shoulders, and we take a little step back with the knees. Now, the setup is super important because a Pilates push-up is just a plank that's moving. So what we want to do is shift the weight forward. So the shoulders are over the wrists, but we've got this connection through our core muscles rather than just dumping down through the low back. Think about scooping the tailbone under and engaging through the core muscles. So that's step one. Once you're there, that's half of the exercise really done. The next thing is the elbow placement. Now, as you lower, think about the elbows pointing behind you. Think about the arms grazing the sides of the ribs. So they're pointing back. Naturally, they'll often want to splay out. It's not wrong, it's just a different type of push-up. So think about the elbows coming close to the body. You can lower all the way down. You can do a really small movement. You can also do this up on the toes if you like, but I'm showing you down on the knees today. That's the second part. The third part that I see often is this lack of head and neck control. So as you lower, we want the head and neck to come down in line with the spine rather than leading with the head. So think about lifting up the head, little tuck of the chin, and think about leading with the chest as you come down. And as you build up strength, you'll be able to make this movement bigger with that head and neck control. Connect the breath. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. And there you have it. That's how to do a Pilates push-up. Give it a go, let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel. I'm Chloe from Go Chlo Pilates, and I'll see you soon.